Hi friends, we're Nate and Rachel, adventurous newlyweds that share a love for travel. So obviously, we decided to buy a school bus and convert it into our tiny home on wheels so we can adventure throughout North America with our 4 dogs and cat. Join along as we share our build experiences and journey to life on the road. Morning. So some things that we've been working on this last week include our kitchen cabinets. Basically so far we've just kind of got like the frame on. Frame is built. This is essentially what we're going to look at, or what they're going to be looking like. And then we got the countertops shipped to us, a few days ago. And Rachel's Uncle Tom is actually going to come over today and kind of help us bust the rest of it out and make sure everything's secure, really locked in place. And then, we'll probably have like the sink in by the end of the day, the stove, which is freaking cool. I still got to figure out the propane connections for that, but I think I have a pretty good idea, and I think I have, the parts I need for that. But, yeah, we're gonna have kitchen today. So many fun things happen around the bus right now. So we got a kitchen now. So I walled all this off back here. So it's actually kind of enclosed, which looks really cool. We've got the cabinets built, all custom. We got some drawers put in, and then I just have to put the doors on these, and then basically that'll all be done. We got the countertop mounted. Sink is not mounted yet, but we got to sit in there just because it looks pretty. And then same with the stove. I just have to connect all of the propane to that, as well as the electrical. And then right now I'm actually working on our upper kitchen cabinets. So this is essentially going to be the area where the fridge is. And then we'll have some upper storage right there. And then I'll probably put some over here as well, because why not? So yeah, right now I just got it framed out. I put one piece to fill in that side, one piece of plywood. Now I think I'm gonna cut out this bottom piece, and then we can start doing the faces. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cutting that bottom piece. And there she is. Put the face framing on it. I haven't secured like these pieces of wood in here yet, but I'm gonna hold off on that. I just gotta add this piece back in the back and then some doors, and we will be ready to rock. The kitchen is starting to come together. I just put the doors on those guys. But yeah. All right, so upper cabinets are in. We're not completely finished putting the upper cabinets in yet. We're actually gonna put some back along this wall back here. But I took the sink out and the stove out because now I'm gonna start sealing the butcher block countertops. I just taped everything off, kind of surrounding the cabinets, so that way I'm not getting this stuff on like the bottom section or the back wall or anything. So now I'm going to get to actually sealing them, and we're going to be using this cutting board oil that we just got at Home Depot. It's like 10 bucks. Yeah, basically all I got to do is rub it on with a cloth, let it soak in. It says to allow it like 20 minutes, but I read online that you know, even up to 24 hours to really let it soak in between coats would be good. So I'm at least gonna get one coat on today and then maybe just do like a coat every day this week until that's all nice and sealed up. Or we're just going straight to the oil because we really do want to keep like these natural, like lighter wood tones in the bus, kind of like our ceiling. So we're not gonna stain it or anything. Just go straight to putting that oil on. That is an absolute game changer. I'm loving the way this is looking. Super pretty. It definitely brings out all like the wood tones and stuff, which is what I saw that it did online, but just to see it in person is pretty sweet. So yeah, it's looking really good. First coat is down, and then I'll probably let this dry or soak in probably overnight until I put that second coat on. It says to wait like at least an hour, but for best results overnight, not 20 minutes. That was a lie. But man, this is looking sweet. I am pumped. Look at that. Holy cow, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
We started painting, actually priming the kitchen counters, kitchen cabinets today, and we're loving it so far. Stop.
It's cute. You're cute.
Why are you kind of out of it?
I don't know. I think too much water, too much soda. I'm bloated.
You're not on your period, I am.
I'm bloated.
I am, not you.
I'm bloated.
Look up the symptoms. Looking sexy.
I'm kind of digging this hospital white. What do you guys think? Should we just keep it this color? Oh yeah. Primer is complete. It's looking good. Took a lot longer than we thought it would, but progress is progress. So we're pumped on that. And we're just gonna clean up. Probably do a little bit more painting tomorrow. And yeah, really exciting. We got a lot to paint, but this is the fun stuff. We've been looking forward for this since day one. All right, so it is a new day on the bus. We did some priming last time, and I also added more upper cabinets. So Rachel had a really good idea to keep this spot, all this space right here open, you know, for maybe like plants and cute stuff. I don't know, that's her realm. But, and then we also added some space over on this side too. So we got like a pretty good amount of storage up top. We also have the sink mounted, which is friggin' cool. It's looking really good, fits well. As you can see, we kind of went with like this L shape, so the sink's in the corner. And we went with like a 25-inch sink, so it's nice and big. I think it's like 9 inches deep. So that way, like whenever we travel or something, we can put stuff in there, while the bus is moving. But yeah, I just need to obviously put some doors on these guys. I still have to mount all the bottoms in there, but we have some plans for lighting underneath all of this. And still need to mount the propane, or the stove thingamajigger. But yeah, kitchen is coming along. We're loving it. Still obviously got to paint it. Lots of exciting stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video of us putting our kitchen together. But yeah, stay tuned. We got more to come. Still tons to do on the bus, and lots of exciting things now that we're done with, like our plumbing and all the nonsense of the build, which wasn't very fun. If you like the video, definitely give us a thumbs up. If you want to stay up to date with kind of what's going on in our world, definitely subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next video. Thanks, guys.